came to me with eyes so bright, clutching a ladybird that seeked its flight. She held it out to fly away. Your house is on fire, she did say. Such things, yes, they were made for her. Watched her sleep all through the night, dream of her ladybird in flight. And in the morning her eyes do shine, she looks at me and I feel fine. Such things, yes, they were made for her. Held her hand, I kissed her cheek, and suddenly I could not speak. I held my breath till it went away. Daddy, I love you, I heard her say. Such things, yes, they were made for her. Hear the news where children die, the wars they show us where they lie. Evil men they bring to us, they're evil things that we must trust. Such things, they weren't made for her. Children in their gloom, watching their fate coming soon. Bombs to eat, water to read. God, what a way you do speak. Such things, they weren't made for her. My head to hear you sigh. God, what a way they must die. When it's birds and bees is what she sees, it's flowers and trees is what she feels. Such things, yes, they were made for her. Eyes so bright, clutching the lady